Hello students, now we'll move for our next topic, that is division of two-digit number by a one-digit number with remainder. So in that the sum is given, divide 86 by 7. So we here that sum is arranged here and that's solved. So let us understand it. So 86 divided by 7. So we have to find 86 in 7's table, but as you know 7's table finish at 70, so 7 tens are 70, so we can't find out 86 completely in 7's tables, right? So what we will do, we will take one digit at a time for the division. So in that the first digit is what here, 8. So we'll divide 8 by 7. So find out whether 8 comes in 7's table. So when you find out that, you will got 8 does not come in 7's table, because 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14. So 8 did not come. So what you will do, instead of taking the higher number, that is 14, you will take smaller number than 8. Which smaller number comes in 7's table, which is less than 8? That is 7. So 7 ones are 7. Smaller number you have to take. If that number does not come in that table, you have to take smaller number of that table. Okay, so 7 ones are 7. So 8 minus 7. So 8 minus 7 is 1. And now we'll bring down the 6, because 6 is remaining. We have first divided by 8. So 6 is remaining. So we'll bring it down. So here the number is become 16. Now you have to find 16 comes in 7's table. Now when you will count, so you will get that 16 does not come in 7's table. So 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14, 7 threes are 21. So 16 did not come, right? So what you will do, you will take smaller number than 16. So which smaller number comes in 7's table, which is smaller than 16? That is 14. 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14, 7 threes are 21. So we can't take the bigger number. We can't take bigger number. So you will take smaller number. So which is the smaller number than 16? That is 14. So you will take 14. So 7, how many is a 14? 7 twos are 14. So 14, 7 twos are 14. Now you will perform the subtraction. So minus, starting from 1's column only. 6 minus 4 is 2 and 1 minus 1 is 0. So what is the answer over here? What is the remainder? 2. So 2 is your remainder, and quotient is what? 12. So answer is 12. So this is how you can do the division, long division with remainder. Now we'll move for our next topic, that is exercise 2.4. In that the first question is given, divide 60 divided by 7. That means you will take 60 you will take inside and 7 you will take outside. By which number you have to divide, you will take outside, and to whom they have to divide, that we will take inside, or bigger number inside, smaller one outside. So 7 divided by 60. So you have to find 60 in 7's table. So count the table of 7 up to 60. So when you will count the table of 7, you will notice that 60 did not come in 7's table. So which is smaller number comes in 7's table, which is a smaller than 60, that you have to write. So if I write the 7's table here, 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14, 7 twos are 21, 7 4 are. So I have written the table of 70 over here. So I have to find what? 60. But 60 doesn't come in 7's table, right? So which smaller number comes in 7's table? Here you got 63, which is bigger than 63. which is bigger than 60. So we can't write 63, so we'll take smaller number. So which is the smaller? 56. 56 is smaller than 60, yes. So we'll write 56 here. So 7, how many is a 56? 7 8s are 56. You have to write exactly smaller number than that particular number. So now perform the subtraction. So 0 minus 6. So 0 minus 6 is not possible, right? So what you will do, you will take borrow from it next. So if we take 1 borrow, then how many remain over here? 5, and here will be 10. So 10 minus 6 is now 4, and 5 minus 5 is 0. So what is the remainder over here? 4. 4 is your remainder, and 8 is your quotient. So 60 divided by 7 is what? 8, and 4 is your remainder. This is how you can solve it. Next sum is what? Here you have to write quotient is 8 and remainder is what? 4. Next is 87 divided by 5. So first we will arrange it. 87 divided by 5. So you have to find 87 in 5's table, but you know that 87 did not come in 5's table. So what you will do, you will take one digit at a time for the division. So here the first digit is what? 8. So you will take 8 for the division. Now you have to find out 8 comes in 5's table or not. Now you know 8 did not come in 5's table, right? So which smaller number comes in 5's table, which is a smaller than 8, which should be smaller than it, huh? So 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10. As 10 is bigger, so we can't take 10. So which smaller number we got? 5 ones are 5. So we'll take 5 ones are 5. Now we'll perform minus operation, that is subtraction. 5 minus 3 is 8. 8 minus 5 is what? 3. And now we'll bring down second number, that is 7. So here the number is form is what? 37. Now check, 37 comes in 5's table. So if you count the table of 5, you will come to know that 7 6 are 30. 7 7s are, sorry. If you count the 5's table, so what you will know, 5 5s are 25, 5 6s are 30, 5 7s are 35, and 5 8s are 40. So 37 doesn't come, right? So instead of taking 40, we can't take bigger number. So which smaller number comes before 40? That is 35. So at which place we got 35? 5 7s are 35. Right? Now perform subtraction. 5 7s are 35. We have to take a smaller number only. We can't write bigger number, as we have to perform subtraction. So 7 minus 5 is what? 2. Starting from ones column, you will start the subtraction. 7 minus 5 is 2. 3 minus 3 is 0. So what is the quotient over here? This is your quotient. And what is the remainder? That is 2. So you have to write here, quotient is what? 17, and remainder is what? 2. So this is how you can divide. Now I'll take D sum for division. So 97 divided by 4. So 97 divided by 4. So now table of 4 up to 97, but you will find out that 97 doesn't come in 4's table. So what you will do, you will take one digit at a time for the division. So for what is the first digit over here? 9. So you have to count the table of 4 up to 9, that you have to check whether 9 comes in 4's table or not. So you will come to know that 9 didn't come in 4's table. So which smaller number comes in 4's table, which is smaller than 9? So 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12. So 12 is bigger than 9, but which smaller number comes before 12? That is 8. So 4 twos are 8. We'll take 8 9 minus 8 is what? 1. And now time to take second number down, that is 7. So number is become 17. Now count the table of 4 up to 17. So check whether 17 comes in 4's table. No. So which smaller number comes in 4's table which is smaller than 17? So 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12, 4 fours are 16, 4 fives are 20. So 20 we can't write. We can't take bigger number. So we'll take smaller number. Which smaller number comes before 20? That is 16. 4 fours are 16. So we'll go for 4 fours are 16. Now 7 minus 6 is what? 1. And 1 minus 1 is 0. So 7 minus 6 is 1. So right. The quotient is what here? 24. So you will write 24 on the quotient place and remainder is 1. So 1. So this is how you can solve. Now I hope you can do the C1. Now next is what? Question number 2. Match the following. 14 divided by 3. 27 divided by 2. You have to do it by this method and you have to find its quotient and remainder. So if you divide 14 divided by 3. So 14 comes in 3's table? No. 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15. So we can't take 15. So we'll go for 3 4s are 12. So if we take 12, then how many will remain? 14 minus 12 is 2. So 3 4s are 12 and 3 remainder will be 2. So here is the pair. So if you don't find out, you have to roughly do the calculation, that is 14 divided by 3. So 3, how many is the 14? So 14 doesn't come in 3's table. So what you will do, you will take smaller number than 14. So 3 5s are 15 you got, but we can't write 15. So which smaller number comes before 15? 3 4s are 12. So 12, and what is the answer? 4 minus 2 is 2 and 1 minus 1 is 0. So what is the quotient? 2 and remainder is, what is the quotient? 4 and remainder is 2. So we have to find the pair. Quotient is 4 and remainder is 2, and you will then match the pair. You have to do it roughly here and then you will solve it. So I hope you can do that. Now put the correct sign greater than, smaller than or equal to. So first is 46 divided by 2 blank 24. So if we divide 46 divide by 2, what number will come? So if we roughly do it here, so 46 divided by 2. So check whether 46 comes or not. So first we'll go, as we know 46 doesn't come, so we'll go for one digit. So 2 2s are 4, 4 minus 4 is 0. Now we'll bring down 6, 2 3s are 6, right? So 0 0. The quotient is what here? 23. So 23 and 24. So which one is bigger? 24. So which sign will be there? Less than. So 23 is less than 24. This is how you have to do it. Now next is what? 36 divided by 9 and 27 divided by 3. So if you check, 36 comes in 9's table. 3 how many are 36? 3 4s are 9 4s are 36. So here answer is 4 and 27 divided by 3. So what will be the quotient? What will be the answer? 3 how many are 27? 3 9s are 27. So which one is bigger, 4 or 9? 9. So you will write the sign, that is 4 is less than 9. So this is how you have to do it. I hope you can do the remaining two sums.